Hello and welcome back to my channel. 2026 is officially year 3 of this DIY remote control lawnmower project. For this season, I completely re-engineered the entire machine. I totally removed the trailer part. I'm not sure if this is a good thing or not just yet, but no more trailer means no more jackknifing. And best of all, I can finally just simply drive in reverse and no more awkward 180-degree maneuvers just to change direction. To make this change happen, I have to strip down the crawler completely. The goal was to ditch the trailer entirely and integrate the mowing mechanism directly into the RC car's chassis to form one single rigid machine. The stock crawler frame is way too short for a cutting deck. With this new design, I extended the body frame and went with two staggered 775 motors, keeping the machine compact while maintaining my full 12-inch cutting width. Once the design was ready, I fired up the 3D printer to fabricate the custom chassis. Designing and printing these parts gives me the exact structure I needed to bridge the front and the rear axles together. And here is the completed extended chassis. It maintains the original four-wheel steering, but now everything is locked together into a solid agile machine. For the electronics, the entire machine shares power from a 2S lithium-ion pack, running at around 8 volts at fully charged. Now these 775 motors can handle up to 12 volts, but at 8 volts, the RPM was scary fast. If the blades hit a rock or a garden pot at full speed, they could easily fracture and eject like shrapnel. To keep things safe, I installed this step-down voltage regulator to lock the motors at 5 volts, lowering the RPM to a safe, manageable speed. I'm going to shut up now and let you watch the mower in action. Enjoy the rest of the video.